This is part 6 of Kiss Your Clutter Goodbye series. In this series, we're exploring organizing concepts that will help you declutter and maintain your organized spaces. We all have stuff in our space that we don't even notice until we start thinking about getting organized. Today's concept is working with clothes. Do you love clothes? And if you do, you might have more than will comfortably fit in your closet and dresser. Your clothes clutter is probably slowing you down and taking up valuable space. Let's work at changing that with this guide. Instead of visiting another department store, shop at home instead. Step into your closet, grab an armful of things that you haven't worn in a while, and try them on. Don't forget to stand in front of a mirror and evaluate what you see. Ask yourself these 3 questions. 1, does it fit? I mean today, does it fit right now? And if not, find a new home, maybe another space in your home or a charity. 2, is it current? If you're saving things from the last decade, maybe it's time to let go. If you really love it, but don't wear it, put it in a memorabilia box. If you don't love it, then consider donating. 3, do I feel good about it? This is the big question. I want you to feel absolutely wonderful no matter what you're wearing. So if you don't feel quite right about that piece of clothing, why is it still in your closet? These 3 questions work because you'll only deal with a few items at a time. And if you do this once a week, you'll start to see a change in a short time. This will help you evaluate what fits today and what you might find, and you might even find a long lost loved piece that's been hiding in the back of your closet. Clearing clutter is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It can't be done in a day. So I decided to write a series of blog posts to help you start thinking about how you can start to kiss your clutter goodbye. Follow along for different strategies to get rid of what's holding you back.